top of my nose.
First try.
Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods, and today we are going to be making veg bites. So this would be a replacement for, say, like a chicken nugget or chicken finger, that kind of thing. So we're going to get started. We're going to add our parm and our aged white cheddar into a bowl. A cup of cooled cooked quinoa. A cup of vegetables, and you can use any kind of vegetable that you want. We're using broccoli today. You can use cauliflower, mushrooms, you name it, you can use it in this recipe. Add our salt and pepper. And then to bind them together, we're going to use 1 egg. And then you're just going to mix this all together. All right, so once we have this all mixed up, we're going to take a nonstick cookie sheet and we're going to press in the batter into there. And you can do it as full as you want or as thin as you want. I'm going to be doing these about half full in the muffin tin, and you're going to get anywhere between 9 to 12 if you do it that way. So once these are all filled up and pressed in, just make sure that you press them in so that they hold their form. You're going to bake them at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're brown. And if you would like to have them a little bit more brown on top, grate some parm on top and then give it some broiling action there. And that will get them all nicely cooked up. So these have come out of the oven. They were in there for about 15-20 minutes. We broiled them to give them a nice like golden brown top. They're super delicious and they kind of taste like cream of broccoli soup. And they're really good. Thank you for joining us. Smash that like button and subscribe.